शिवनगर विद्याप्रसारक मंडळ इंग्लिश मीडियम स्कूल माळेगाव बुद्रुक. Today, 19th February, it is celebrated as birth anniversary of Shivaji Maharaj. Today, our school is going to celebrate Shiv Jayanti.
Good morning, respected principal sir, coordinators, teachers and students. Today is 19th February, the birth anniversary of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, who was the founder of Maratha Empire in India. He was a great and courageous king. Shiva Jayanti reminds us the courageous acts of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, which will inspire the coming generations forever. Our school, Shivanagar Vidyaprasarak Mandal's English Medium School, is going to celebrate Shiva Jayanti. On this occasion, Renuka Jagtap is now going to speak some words.
Good morning all of you. Myself Renuka Jagtap from 7th standard. Today I will speak on Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj born on 19 February 1630 on the Fort Shivneri near Junnar in Pune district. Shivaji Maharaj's father name was Shahaji Raje. Shahaji Raje was an preeminent Sardar in Deccan. His mother name was Veermata Jizabai. Jizabai was a daughter of great Sardar Lakhoji Raje Jadhav of Sindhkhed in Gulbarga district. He captured the forts of Adil Shah such as Kherna, Panara, Vasantagad. He renamed Kherna as Vishalgarh. Shivaji Maharaj was an efficient ruler. Shivaji Maharaj set up an efficient and administration for his people's welfare. Shivaji Maharaj had a strong navy and army. Shivaji Maharaj is known for his people's fatherly attitude towards his people. He is remembered till as a hero who worked for the people's welfare and his states and subjects. Shivaji Maharaj breathed his last in 1680. Pratibha Chandra Lekhev Vardishnu Vishnu Vandita Shahasuna Shivashesha Rudra Bhadraya Raja. Thank
you. Now I would like to call Omkar Saunke to say a few words on this occasion.
Respected principal sir, teachers and all my dear friends, myself Omkar Pradeep Saunke from 7th Baba. Today on the occasion of Shiv Jayanti, I will say a few words. Shiv Jayanti is celebrated every year on 19th February. It is celebrated with a great joy. He was great and a brave king. He was the founder of the Maratha Empire in India. Shivaji Maharaj had a great respect for sons. He respected both Bhagavad Gita and Quran. He treated women with respect. Hindavi Swaraj was the dream of Shivaji Maharaj. He defeated many powerful enemies and founded Swaraj. Maharaj has to struggle against his enemies, the Adil Shah, Mughals and the Siddhis. They were Islamic powers. Shivaji Maharaj considered the Muslims in the Swaraj as his own subject. Maharaj was very intelligent. He had many qualities like leadership, management, political diplomacy and justice. He used to take care of all people in his Swaraj region. He turned Swaraj into Suraj.
Pratibha Chandra Lekhev Vardishnu Vishnu Vandita Shahasuna Shivashesha Rudra Bhadraya Raja. Thank you.
Now I request Principal Sir to speak. on this occasion. Please, sir.
All of us know that Hindavi Swaraj was established by Shivaji Maharaj. Really, it was Shahaji Raja's aspiration to establish Swaraj. He is known as Swaraj visionary. Veer Mata Jizabai helped and encouraged Shahaji Raja to realize his dream of Swaraj. He was competent and he was really great visionary. And Jizamata was also great visionary and political expert. She constantly guided Shivaji in the mission of establishing Swaraj. She was very particular about giving excellent education to Shivaji. She instilled in him values of modesty, truthfulness, oratory, vigilance, courage, and fearlessness. He is the only person who had Ashtapradhan Mandal. This is excellent example of administration. Today also, same type of system is followed all over the country. He turned Swaraj into Swaraj. He created a new order with his capability. After more than 391 years also, his capacity, capability and ability is respected all over the world. I have read some days before about the country Vietnam. There was constant war between Vietnam and America, and in that constant war of 20 years, Vietnam succeeded or won the battle. Then people from Vietnam were asked the secret of their victory. Then those people said that this is because of great son of India, Shivaji Maharaj. And in that country, there is very big statue of Shivaji Maharaj. They said that we have followed the policy and ability, courage, vigilance of Shivaji Maharaj. So we are successful in the war against America. So this great son of India, born in Maharashtra, today we are celebrating Shiva Jayanti. Let us say Shivaji Maharaj ki jai.
Thank you, sir. इतिहासाच्या पानावर ज्याने नाव आपले कोरले, जनतेच्या मनामध्ये ज्याने स्वराज्याचे स्वप्न रंगविले, भगवा झेंडा हातात धरून ज्याने खिंड लढविली, आपले जीवन अर्पण करून ज्याने स्वराज्याचे स्वप्न साकारिले. Who is none other than Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Shivaji Maharaj was a great source of inspiration. Mahatma Jyotirao Phule described Shivaji Maharaj through his Povada. Lokmanya Tilak brought national awakening through a medium of Shiva Jayanti celebration. Lala Lajpat Rai has written a book on Shivaji Maharaj. Rabindranath Tagore has written a long poem on Shivaji Maharaj. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru said that Shivaji Maharaj did not belong to Maharashtra alone. He belongs to whole Indian nation. He loved his country deeply. He was a symbol of all human virtues. Shivaji